So, every time I'm bored in the summertime, I make random things in the kitchen because we have this weird book that says 500 fun things to do in the kitchen. And one of them I found in there was how to make Play-Doh. And some things I will be teaching you guys today is like the wrong way to mix it, the way to mix it, and the good uses of it. And we're gonna start off with the wrong way to make it. Like, if you put too much water in while making it, it will be too gooey and it will stick to your hands. And that's not fun when your Play-Doh sticks too. And also, if you put too much flour in it, it'll be all clumpy and it won't stick together. So, I'm going to start with making it. So, it doesn't really matter what flour you use. You can use, like, one time I used this weird Mexican flour my mom got, and it worked, but it was really weird texture. So, I don't know. And I forgot the Play-Doh I made at home this morning, but it was with this is whole wheat flour, and I used regular flour. And so I'm just going to put a cup of flour in here. Then you can use the tip of, like the back of your spoon that you hold onto and scrape it off so it's flat-ish, sort of. That's 1 cup. And then for salt, you can just use like your hand, and if you just hold it, if you get about somewhat of a handful, not really, and then you just pour that in with it. And you just want to mix this all together so it's all nice and mixed up and stuff. And once you have it mixed, you can't really tell there's salt in it. But I think the salt, when you mix it with the flour and all the ingredients, it like helps it stay together. Like the Play-Doh helps it form its Play-Doh and stuff. And we put vegetable oil in this because my mom didn't want me to bring the big vegetable oil, and I didn't really want to bring it either. So, it's hard to open. So you want to take probably. So this is your cup of water. There's some oil in it because some of it's spilled in here. So you want a couple tablespoons. And these are about tablespoons. So it should be about like that. And then I'd mix your food coloring in right away with your Play-Doh, because if you don't, it will be harder to mix it once you already formed your Play-Doh. And you get a really weird look to it. So I'm going to make green Play-Doh. So more of a lime green. So I'm going to get my yellow and my green. And it should say on the box, if you want your lime green, it says 3 yellow and 1 green. So you just and you might need to add more food coloring if it's not the color you want. So then you take just use the same spoon you used for your oil. You just mix it up in there. And obviously everyone should know this already, but oil doesn't mix with your water. So it's normal if you see like the stuff on the top from the oil. Okay, so you have your salt and your flour mixed over here, and now you just need to pour your water and oil in. And you may need to add more flour if it's not the right, if it's not the exact way you want it. And so you just mix it. Like this is gonna need another cup because I don't add both cups of flour in right away because if I do, it's too clumpy and hard to mix. So just mix this, and I can already tell that I'm gonna need more food coloring. So I might just add that in right with it right away. So it looks like a really gross screen right now. So I don't know. I haven't done green yet. So. Once you have that mixed, I'm just gonna add more food coloring so it's not. And the other reason why the color's all funny is because I used whole wheat flour. So should make a better difference from the color. So. And if you forget to put your food coloring in, you just mix it in with the dough when you have it. It gets like a really weird marble look to it. It looks cool. But if after you play with it for a while, it doesn't get that look no more. Okay, so I'm going to put more of this in here. And then maybe a bit of better green. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just going to have it that weird green. That you want another cup of flour. And you pour your cup in with this to that, and you start to mix it again. And after you got your other cup of flour in here, it's going to get harder to mix. You're going to have to start using your hands, but that's okay. And see, gets to the harder feel of it. And when you want to start mixing with your hands, add this flour on your hands. So if you start to use flour on your hands, then it won't stick to your hands as well. So you use your flour, and then you start to mix with your hands. This is going to need more flour.